Hi campers, my name is Grace and today I'm going to show you how to make fingerprint animals. So, the things you'll need are colored markers and a blank white piece of paper. Some optional supplies are googly eyes and glue. Now, for fingerprint animals, you can also have a stamp pad because you're going to use your finger as a stamp to put the ink on the paper as the animal's body. I have markers, but stamp ink is totally fine. So, the first step is putting the marker ink on your finger. And you can make any animal you want with this, which I think is really cool. And everyone has a fingerprint, and they're all different, like snowflakes. Even gorillas have fingerprints too, except theirs are on their noses when they scrunch up their noses like this. And so you're gonna put your finger on the paper so that it makes a fingerprint like this. You can wash your hands off if you want. Now, this is going to be the body of the animal. So, it doesn't look quite like an animal right now, right? So, you're going to want to make arms and legs. Hair if you want, because I'm making a chicken. So they have the little gobbly things on top of their heads. Now, you can draw on eyes, or you can use googly eyes like I mentioned before. Now, when you're gluing the googly eyes, you want to remember ... not a lot. It's just very carefully putting some tiny bit of glue on the eyes and putting them on the fingerprint. Just like this. Now, some possibilities for animals are birds, fish, lizards, monkeys, dogs, and even hamsters. Any animal, really. So, they're gonna look a little bit funny. And so, this is how mine turned out. I made a little chicken, and it looks so crazy, right? So, yeah. Here it is.